Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to fix a garden hose with a fast hose connector. This quick and easy repair will save you time and money, so let's get started. First, let's identify the problem with your garden hose. Common issues include leaks, cracks, or damaged connectors. Once you've found the issue, make sure to turn off the water supply to avoid any accidents. Now that we've identified the problem, let's gather the materials we'll need for this repair. You'll need a sharp utility knife for cut a damaged part of a hose and a fast hose connector. With your materials ready, it's time to cut out the damaged section of the hose. Using your utility knife or scissors, carefully cut the hose on both sides of the damaged area. Make sure to cut straight and clean edges for a better connection. Now that we've removed the damaged section, it's time to attach the fast hose connector. Follow these simple steps. Insert one end of the fast hose connector into one side of the cut hose. Make sure it's pushed in firmly and securely. Repeat the process with the other end of the fast hose connector and the remaining cut hose. Ensure both connections are tight and secure to prevent any leaks. With the fast hose connector in place, it's time to test our repair. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks around the connector. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully fixed your garden hose with a fast hose connector. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this quick and easy repair guide has helped you fix your garden hose. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and tricks.